chance. Yeah, I do agree with my dad though. This is kind of beautiful. Yeah.
Listen to 3 podcasts. Had 2 calls with your mom and 1 with your sister, and you're really hungry. And look at that. There's
I'm surprised that cop's not sitting there.
There's a meal for
There's usually cops sitting there.
Yeah, quite often when I pass through anyways. When I was coming back from my grandma's the other, a couple days ago to drop off her some medicine, there was a cop sitting right there. Oh, man. I gotta say, I don't know why I think like this, but staring at the tall pine trees when the snow's like this, well, in some cases, yes, but to me, it's also kind of beautiful, because it reminds me of, for some reason, it just reminds me of some sort of memory I had. Like, I don't know what, but it just, for some reason, it does. Yeah, something like that.
It's weird because I had a dream one time, and then the next day, something that I had a dream about similar had happened. I was like,
Huh. And there's another group of birds. I'm surprised they're not flying south right now. Yeah. Yeah, they are. They say with moose, and these were people from Alaska, but they say a lot of times you want to stay 10 feet or more away from them.
probably more than 10 feet.
Yeah, I was gonna say I wouldn't go any more than, or any less than 30 feet within those things.
Yeah, that's not my premium.
Yeah. They were driving this diesel truck somewhere in the mountains in Canada, and they said that, they came across. Oh gosh, you're making me nervous right now.
Dominic's probably like,
Yeah. Well, considering this is between 2 lakes, well, a swamp area and a lake anyways, this road probably got hit bad. But yeah.